Hey beauties, so I thought this would be a fun tutorial to do for Halloween. Originally, I was just going to do this on its own, but I figured it'd be cute to do it while I have my Scarecrow makeup still on. It's a braided look, but you can wear it for any time in fall. I am going to divide my hair in two, put the other half away for now. I actually haven't even experimented with this look yet. It might not come out as I'm 100% planning, but I'm hoping it will. So normally I'd say brush your hair before, but it's a Scarecrow, so you can make it look a little wildy if you want. Basically, what you want to do, super easy, just braid your hair. If you don't know how to braid your hair, I have a ton of hair braiding videos on my channel, so I will link them below. I love braiding my hair. It's like the most relaxing thing in the world when I do it right, which currently I'm not doing. So I'm like very particular on how I braid my hair. I like it to be like a certain way or else I'm not happy. So let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna use the back braid first. Yeah, there we go. Braid that to the center braid and then add in my front braid. I should have really combed my hair before, so it's made this a little bit easier. So I just think this goes really well with the Scarecrow. It's kind of like a farmy country type of braid. Like, it's not a super fancy type of braid. It's like some type of braid you would do if you went to go work. Okay, so once you finish the braid, you're going to want to get an elastic or rubber band and tie your hair together. Not tie your hair together, just tie the braid so it doesn't come undone. Now I'm just going to do that to the other side of my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, now that my hair is in braids, you could do a whole bunch of different things. You can separate these braids a little bit just to give it kind of more of like a cute type of stylish modern look to it, even with this braid still kind of being a little bit of like a country braid. I just think doing this kind of just makes it look a little bit more like fancy. So this next step, and this is basically the last step, is I got these cute little Scarecrows. They're adorable. And I'm just gonna pop them in my braid. Now these have sticks on them. You can easily cut the stick, but the nice thing about the stick is it kind of holds the structure of the braid, which I actually kind of like. I just kind of think it's like a cool little thing. So let's pop this guy in here. This guy's stuck on my beehive of a hair. Let's put him in this way. And I'm basically with the bottom of the stick just kind of like intertwining it in the bottom of my hair. Just making a little gap for it. And now you have cute little Scarecrows in your hair, so you can wear them all day. You can put your hair back or up in a ponytail and you can face them outwards, so they're cute like that on the side. There's a million different things you could do with this once you get them in. This one is being temperamental and not sticking completely, so if you have one that's being like that, I would suggest just cutting the stick a little bit, because I think this stick is just a little bit too long for my head. Yeah, I just thought that this was something that's cute, it's quick, it's easy, it goes with fall, it could be used for pumpkin picking, apple picking, hay rides, anything really, and it's just kind of like a cute little, and then you've got your buddies hanging out with you all day. What could be better than that? Nothing. So these are the cuties. If you guys liked this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up. If there's something else you want to see, hairstyle, makeup, costume story, whatever, comment below, let me know. I will definitely try to do it because I want to do as many Halloween tutorials as I can possibly do, so I would be super psyched to do it. Bye beauties, love you. Mwah.